Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are doing good. Hope you all are enjoying, and may God bless you all with a lot of happiness. The Amavasya has just got over, so I was just thinking, why not see which is the new moon which has happened. So the new moon is in Leo. Basically, when the new moon is in Leo, it is confidence is the key to success. So today, why have I brought in this card? Main thing I want to do today, it's a little different. I want to just tell you all how the day will be, but at the same time some small tips which you can do so that this whole month you're happy and the whole month goes beautifully for you. I would just say one thing: start working on your new projects today. If you have any new projects coming up, if you're looking out for a job, then today is the day where you should start looking out for a job. If there is some projects which is going to get over, then be sure that the good news is coming, because when the new moon is in Leo, it is just time to be proud. Now when I say time to be proud, it is time to be proud of yourself, of your achievements, of everything that you have achieved till now. So as I said, today's day is going to be good, confident and successful. At the same time, I want to give you all certain tips which you all can do. Now this whole month, in the morning, just absorb the energies of the lion. Okay, now when you absorb the energies of the lion, say you are becoming powerful as the lion, you are being positive, confident and courageous as the lion, and you are able to handle everything the way a lion will do in the jungle. For the next 3 Tuesdays in the morning, hear Durga Saptashati, and when you're coming back from your office or when you go out somewhere, when you come back, donate some clothes to the needy. It can also be used clothes. The next 3 Fridays, hear the Shri Suktam in the evening at 6:06 p.m. But if you're in the office and if you cannot come back, then you can come back in the evening and hear it by 7:30, between 7:30 to 8:30. Now when you're hearing this Shri Suktam, offer some chocolates or sweets to the goddess Lakshmi and then feed it to the needy. Every Saturday in the evening, go to some Hanuman Mandir and just sit there and talk to Hanuman, tell him your sorrows. And the next 3 Sundays in the evening at 6 p.m. if you can, or in the afternoon at 12 p.m, take 3 bay leaves, write your 3 wishes or 3 things that you want it to be successful in this coming month, and you burn that on top of a yellow candle. Take a yellow candle, burn the bay leaf and then discard the ashes in the air. Do this for 3 Sundays. And the next 3 Wednesdays, if it is possible, just wear something in white and have a bath with milk, little bit of milk added to your water in the morning, and just start your day thinking that today my day is going to be good and I'm going to be blessed by my angels, by my ancestors. Do this and see for the next 3 weeks, and then do let me know how you felt, and do give me a feedback. If this video helps you and if this video brings in a change in your lifestyle, then every month on the new moon or before the new moon or after the new moon, I shall bring in a small tips related video. Overall, today the day is going to be magnificent and beautiful, blessed with abundance and happiness. Have a blessed day.